Guys, in today's video, I'm going to go over where I think Bitcoin is heading next. The market's actually looking really, really nice right now. So it's going to be quite an interesting video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Also, if you want to join my private trading channel on Telegram, the link is in the video description as well. So yeah, let's get into today's video and let's see what's next for Bitcoin. Also, guys, remember to sign up to Weex Exchange. The link is also in the video description. You'll get a 20% deposit bonus for whatever you basically deposit. You'll basically get free money, 20% extra. Okay, so currently on the weekly chart, so the last 3 weeks have been pretty good, and we're obviously coming up to a resistance level where the EMA is, and also up here around kind of like the basically $90,000 level. Let's just quickly go into the daily chart, and then we'll get more of a picture of kind of what's going on. So as you can see on the daily, so we've used this EMA down here as basically support again, 2 bounces. Now we're off, now we're past the other EMA. And what I think we're going to do next on the daily is we're going to potentially have a fallback, use this as kind of a support level, and then go up to the next leg and kind of like ladder up. We've also got the equilibrium here, which is in line with the previous fair value gap up there that I think needs filling. So I think once we kind of have this move potentially down and continue laddering up, we'll probably find some resistance on the equilibrium, then potentially fall back again, use this and this as support levels, a new support level here, and then start heading up. And then I think that we're going to head to between, my previous target was like 82 to 86, looking more like 84 to around 88,000. And then that's when I think that we're going to take the next leg down for Bitcoin. And obviously, look, this is on the daily chart, so this can take like a month to fill out or something. If we move sideways, if we fall slightly, then we kind of ladder up. So yeah, the chart's looking really, really nice in the short term. I'd say kind of over the next 3 to 6 weeks roughly. Okay, just jumping into the hourly chart now, just see if we can find any entries. And as you can see previously, like called this trade here, bounced out of that, came back down again, called this trade here, and then bomb, went really, really well. Also, I do live tradings live trading every Thursday. It's going to be live streamed on this channel. I've done it for the last 2 weeks. From next week, I'm going to be doing Mondays and Thursdays. If you want to jump on the live trading, take some trades with me. I do like kind of scalping, so it's like very quick, but if you're quick, you can open a trade. You can obviously follow along and copy bits if you want to do that. So I think that we're going to be looking for long positions. I'm actually live trading tonight, so we'll see how it goes over the next couple of hours, but I'm thinking we're going to be looking for some long positions. As you can see, we've got support level here above the equilibrium, floating around the EMAs. I might maybe wait to see kind of where this goes, maybe even open a long fairly shortly. I just want to wait because we've got the fair value gap here, another one there, another one all the way down there. Not too worried about that one. Could have maybe a wick down to the equilibrium and then start heading up. We do have a double top here. So yeah, let's have and we've obviously got the resistance area here. So I think we're just going to kind of be moving around this area and then looking for a breakout. Let's just go on the 30-minute chart and see. Yeah, that's basically saying the same. So we've got the resistance, resistance, double top, equilibrium below, support level here. I think we're just going to be floating around here. I'm hoping by the time I start the live trading, we're not still in this channel, because then that's going to be pretty difficult to find some good scalps. But yeah, hopefully it finds direction over the next couple of hours. So if you are looking for any trades at the moment, I'll say look at opening a long with not a massively tight stop loss, just in case, because obviously Bitcoin can wick down, stop you out, and then go in the direction that you thought it was going to go initially. So yeah, I'll probably look at longs this week and over the next couple of hours. But yes, let's see how it plays out. Going to be doing more update videos like I always do on Bitcoin. I'll do some on XRP as well. So yeah, that's everything for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys soon.